Can't see the word, Daddy. Here we go.
Hold on, sorry. I thought I might want your face.
It's okay. I got my face here.
I want to see you buy some flags, Gabe.
I will.
Yes. Beautiful.
Almost amending.
I want to, like right here.
Yes, right
All
here.
these flags in the back.
Then you get the background flags too. Cool.
You don't have your phone out.
Here.
Oh,
Come here,
that
guys.
looks beautiful.
Next to one.
Noah,
Tara.
Tara.
Come on.
Zach, come closer.
Hey, go with Nancy and Gabe and them first, and turn my way, because I want to get the side of all the yard flags.
Okay.
Turn this way. Tilt. Okay, good. Oh, that's nice.
Okay, can I get one on my phone so I can post it?
What
was that? Oh, fuck.
Luke,
Should I get my shades on then?
seriously, dude.
Make sure you take a picture of the lawn that Noah kept up so well.
There you go. I can't see right. There you go. There we go, guys.
1, 2, 3.